Hey, it's Anthony Meisner with Land Title. I wanted to bring you our Boulder County First to Know update. And as usual, this has been a very interesting year. But what you can see here is that, the average sales price keeps coming in strong. We're well above where we were in 2021. I think a lot of what's happening with the decrease in the average sales price is just that composition of sales change. And you can really see it because in the median, we're still up 2.5%, right around 900,000. The average is 1.1 million right now at this point. So if we look over to the condo townhouse market, this one, the attached dwellings, it bounces around quite a bit, just depending on what inventory is available in Boulder County, right? There's a lot of stuff that gets released in the city of Boulder that's, a million or over a million. And then you get out into the county and there's stuff that's at 500,000. It really changes the average. So the average bounces around quite a bit more than the median. But look there, the median is at 500,000 still staying pretty strong. Obviously, quite a bit different than we were a month ago, but like I said, composition of sales says a lot. We're at a super low inventory level, so we only really sell what's available. It's not like it's at buyer discretion. So here's the other thing. Average price per square foot is sitting right around that 10 to 11% less than it was this time last year, largely due to what's selling and what's available on the marketplace. We're just not seeing a ton of that $1 to $2 million price range fly off the shelf. And that's really dramatically affecting this because there's less luxury out there in the marketplace to be had. Now, this is really where it is interesting to me. So if we look at the active listings on the marketplace, we have 592, basically 2% increase from where we were last month. That's not necessarily a bad sign. It's really, really similar to 2019. You can see that we have active or new units coming on the market really similar to those 2019 levels. It's a little bit less than it was a year ago, but honestly, like things look pretty good. They look pretty normal. We're seeing some normal seasonality in the marketplace, but I would still expect a large inventory rise because with interest rates at, I think they're about 6.5% today on average, there's just not going to be that longevity with the buyer demand. Definitely come off to the races, and you've seen a lot of people. You can see it here, 364 pending sales again this month, which is really good, right? Outpacing 2019, not anywhere near where we were a year ago, but we're still kind of right in the mix. The fact that we're only 8% down and interest rates are nearly double what they were this time last year, it really gives us some I guess some positivity in the marketplace, right? Because lots of buyers means that people are still interested in moving here, and we know that Boulder County is super resilient in that respect. Look at 2019 here in month supply of inventory. We saw it exactly like where we are now. So pre-pandemic numbers compared to today make a lot of sense. Everything's kind of right in line. Expect that inventory to start rising over the next few months, but with high buyer demand, it's very possible that it's a slow rise, not some giant spike. Now, this is the last thing. So if you are looking at, how is a buyer or seller affected in this marketplace? Days in MLS are getting faster and faster. We have 39 days in MLS. We're right in line with where we were at 2019. Now we're absolutely nowhere where we were the last couple of years. And the main reason for that is those markets were unprecedented, right? You can see it in the listed sale price, huge peaks, right? We're getting right back into a normal seasonality. If this drops somewhere to 20 or 30 by that May-June timeframe, that would be about as fast as the market should probably go. And if we get just over 100% in that May-June timeframe, maybe 101%, that would be pretty well expected, right? Because we're getting into that normal seasonal rhythm like we had pre-pandemic levels. So if you have any questions, I'm Anthony with Land Title, and this is our first to know update. Stay tuned, and in a couple of weeks, you'll see our big update for Boulder County. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel, and don't forget, I'm always here if you need any other data in the marketplace. Have a wonderful day.